Hello friends, today I received JBL 164 Bluetooth neckband. Today I am unboxing that. This is the box and its price is 2000 rupees, but I got this 1599. Let's unbox it. It is 1499. JBL Tune 160 BT and its price is around 2499, but I got this is only 1500. देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या मिलते हैं। It is a charging adapter. JBL branding is over here. JBL, and it is some earbuds extra, large and small, and it is a user guides like warranty papers and some specs information in this JBL Hanuman. I away from this side, and it is a main unit. JBL. This is only unboxing video. I'm not reviewing this, but after some months I will give you some review. This is a earphones neckband, and it is a maybe battery options JBL, and it is a mic. Here is a mic, and there is a charging port, and there is a volume up down, and there is a power on. Here is a blinking. This is on power mode of. Not a bad deal, but it's a good deal. Headphone quality is so amazing. Cable is flat, so it is a long and very lightweight. You can carry. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Every YouTuber, thumbs up.